The ocean, it fills my soul with love. When I was small, I used to love coming here. And this is Vlog 01, the childhood film. That's that's something like how rich kids will name their vlogs. This video is all about phones, guys. Roll intro. From title, you already know what the video is all about. It's about the new iPhone phone. Yes, double phones. So this is the exclusive phone from Apple. Do you people remember when I begged for an iPhone X? Nobody could even come up and help me buy an iPhone X. I am disappointed. So Apple saw my video, shame on you all, and sent me the newest phone. It's called the iPhone X, copyright free use, don't sue me please. See, I swear that's the name. Don't even argue with me. Don't argue with me at all. So now I know some people are not going to believe me, so I'll tell you the specs. By specs I mean specification for the people overseas, people in Nigeria. You guys already know, so you already know what I mean. Firstly, it comes with a Dragon Boost sound speaker. I meant Dragon Boost speaker. It has a headphone jack that is separate from the aux cable. Did I just call that aux cable? I meant charging port. It also comes with a Dragon glass that is strong. The screen is uncrackable, especially if the phone is a White Walker X. You get? Dragon glass, White Walker X. You get? My life. Jesus. It has an inbuilt battery that is inside the phone, obviously. It also comes with a deck, and this deck is called a deck. It's just called a deck. There's nothing there again. A deck. So now I'll answer all your questions, because I know you people have some questions for this phone. You people want to purchase it, but you have some questions. Number one question I know I will get is the fact that the screen is cracked. Yes, I know the screen is cracked. See guys, it was designed that way for a reason. Wait, think about it. Why have a phone that will crack when it falls? With the new iPhone X, copyright free use, don't sue me please, you don't need to be scared, because no matter how hard it falls, you are assured that the screen was already cracked. The second question I know I will get is, Prince, the screen looks dirty and it's filled with fingerprints. That one is actually an easy question to answer. It's the thumbprint, guys. That is how to unlock your phone. It was founded out by the company. Founded out. Jesus. It was found out. They found out that more than one person can have the same fingerprint. Don't even argue with me. It's true. And don't also Google it. Google hates Apple. They will give you fake answers. Trust me. So the iPhone X copy. You know what? See, it's too long. Calling that is too long. So we'll make it easier for everybody. Let's nickname it iXCFUDSMP. So what the iXCFUDSMP did was they made the fingerprint sensor move after 2 seconds, so you are sure that no one unlocks the phone. I don't think even yourself will be able to unlock the phone. Next question is, why blue? Why is blue written on it and not iXCFUDSMP? I'm tired of calling this name. Oh, Jesus. This phone you're about to purchase is going to be sold for so much money. That's why they could not put iXCFUDSMP on it. I know now the next question is,
but you told us now everyone will steal the phone.
See guys, the iXCFUDSMP was very smart to not use only blue as a model. Rather, they shattered, they spreaded. What am I saying? Rather, they use different brands. So now your next neighbor using a Nokia 3310 may actually be using the next iPhone. Let me shut up and show you what's in the phone. It's not coming on, guys. Wow. How many minutes now in this video? And the freaking phone is not coming. Oh! Thank you guys for watching this video. Shout out to Simi. Comment down below if you want to be in the next week's shout out. Now I'll be doing shout out to it depends on, like, I'll just be doing shout out to people who comment a lot, of people who actually comment a lot. So if you are new here, subscribe and also comment if you want to be in next week's shout out, guys, since that is nobody cares about the shout out. Maybe nobody will comment, but just comment down below, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please drop a like, drop a sub. If you are new, drop a sub. I'm going to be working on Skinny Girl in Transit. I want it to be a very nice episode. That will be like part 3. I'm going to be working on skinny, guys. So I've not posted in a while. I'm posting every Friday. So guys, just wait on it. Maybe Friday, Wednesday, depending on how I feel, you guys will get a video. Friday or Wednesday or Friday. I meant Wednesday or Friday. What am I saying, rubbish? Thank you guys for still sticking with me. I will catch ourselves on the next one.